Did you know that 50% of your happiness is determined by your genetics? That's right. Half the equation of our joy comes pre-packaged from our ancestors. It's a fascinating concept known as the set point for happiness. Imagine happiness as a thermostat setting. Just like how your home's thermostat returns to a preset temperature no matter how much you fiddle with it, our levels of happiness have a similar tendency to return to a genetically determined point. It's a sort of happiness homeostasis. Now, you might be thinking, if that's the case, then all the money, success, and external circumstances should significantly boost my happiness levels, right? Well, surprisingly, these external factors play a much smaller role in our happiness than we tend to believe. They're temporary spikes in an otherwise steady line. So if half of our happiness is out of our control, what about the other half? You might be surprised to learn that only 10% of our happiness is due to our external circumstances. Now, you might be wondering how this is possible. Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of neurotransmitters. These are the body's chemical messengers traveling in our brain, and two of them, dopamine and serotonin, play a significant role in our happiness. Dopamine, often called the feel-good hormone, rewards us with a rush of pleasure when we achieve a goal. Serotonin, on the other hand, helps regulate our mood, preventing us from sinking into the depths of despair. Now, let's take a detour to neuroplasticity, the brain's incredible ability to change and adapt. It's like a sculptor constantly molding our brain. This means that with the right habits and mindset, we can rewire our brain to be happier. So if external circumstances account for only 10% of our happiness, where does the remaining 40% come from? The remaining 40% of our happiness is within our control, influenced by our thoughts, behaviors, and actions. It's a powerful realization, isn't it? We hold the key to unlock a significant part of our own happiness. It's not about waiting for the stars to align or the universe to conspire in our favor. It's about embracing the power we hold within ourselves. Our daily activities, mindset, and perspective play a pivotal role in our happiness. Simple but effective strategies can boost our happiness quotient. For instance, the practice of gratitude can shift our focus from what's wrong to what's right in our life. Cultivating social connections can give us a sense of belonging, and engaging in physical activity can boost our mood by releasing feel-good hormones. So let's embark on this journey of unlocking our happiness potential. Let's remember that it's within our control to find joy in the ordinary moments of life. Happiness, it turns out, is not a destination, but a journey where we have more control than we might think.